Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host a static website on S3. So I'm logged into my AWS Management Console. I will navigate to S3. I'll create a new bucket over here. It's a general purpose bucket. I'll name it as CP static website. Okay, and we'll be unblocking all the public access. I acknowledge. Right, click on create bucket. Right, the name is already existing, so I'll just name it something cloud perceptor static website. Okay, click on create bucket, and as you can see, the bucket is already created. We'll be going in the permissions. We'll be adding a bucket policy over here. Right, I've already written it. Just copy the bucket ARN. So what it does mean is if there is any action for S3 colon get bucket, then allow it. It is for allowing uh, this particular access on this bucket, and we have added a star over here. That means uh, all the files that are under this bucket will be having the access. Okay, so yep, click on save changes. Next is we are going to add the HTML file over on this bucket. Okay, click on add files. I already have created it over here. So this is the static file I'm gonna add. Okay, save it and close. We'll be navigating in the properties. So this is an important part. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just head down to the static website hosting, click on edit, click on enable. Host a static website, just name your page index.html. Of course, that's going to be a default page. And if you have any redirection rule, error document that you can mention. But since we have a simple website, click on the name and just that's it. All right, so when you add it, you're going to see the static URL, website URL. Okay, just click on it. And as you can see, the website is now open. Hello, everyone. This page is hosted in static website, and uh, this is the message that you have put in this HTML page. So this is the way you can host a static website in S3 bucket. Of course, there are many other things you can do, like I'll just show you. As you can see, it is having this URL, so you can host it with your own domain. Probably you can have your website domain configured to host, like redirect to this particular uh, domain. Okay, so I can show you the steps in the next video, but this is the basic step for hosting a static website. So that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.